two militants, Shakil Ahmed Butt and Tika Khan, both residents of Kakapura, Pulwama, and two OGWs by the name of Saeed Tajammul and Muhammad Shafi Wani, both from Kakapura, Pulwama. After their arrest, we are left with Naveed, who is still at large, and one more militant by the name of Hilal, again a local militant, who is also from Pulwama. So presently we are looking for them, and hopefully after smashing their whole network, I am hopeful that in very near future we'll be able to lay our hands on them and neutralize them. They had planned initially to get him free, make him escape from Pulwama court, which they could not do. Then they hatched this conspiracy to make his escape good from the Srinagar hospital. For this, these two militants, especially Tika Khan and Hilal, used to visit frequently jail on one pretext or the other, and also they were in constant touch with Naveed on mobile phones. On the day of occurrence, these guys, whom I have already named, came to Srinagar and took their positions outside the hospitals at various points with a motorcycle and a car. Both the car and the motorcycle have been recovered and